to 9 Cicada Close in Buderim. My name's Amber from Perry Cooper Property. Let's take a look around.
Maybe it's time to switch up.